Is there a level of fruit that is considered unhealthy? And I tend to have a lot of smoothies, which have a lot of fruit, and I've heard that has a lot of sugar. Is that unhealthy, and are there better alternatives? So the Dietary Guidelines recommends for adults to eat roughly around 1.5 to 2 cup equivalents of fruit per day. And so what that means is if you were to take your fruit and cut it up into pieces, if it fits inside a cup. Now, as dancers, you're super active. So if you're eating more than that 2 cups of fruit a day, I probably wouldn't stress about it too much because you are expending so much energy and you're also getting so many other beneficial nutrients along with that fruit, as long as you're also eating other vegetables. That, we want to make sure you're eating both fruits and vegetables. As far as the smoothies go, you can definitely, many smoothies do have lots of fruit in them, but you could try playing with adding some more vegetables in them. So some good vegetables that work really well in smoothies would be things like baby spinach, or steamed carrots, or roasted beets, or pumpkin puree, and then also making sure that you get some good protein sources into your smoothies. So things like nut butters or yogurts. Those are really great in your smoothies as well. I loved answering your questions. So if you want me to do more videos like this, leave me some questions in the comments below, or you can reach out to me through social media on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So thanks for watching. That's what science tastes like.